is limited to
Civil work.
engineering is limited to permanent fans only. Permanent fans. Permanent fans. Only fencing was required engineering. There is no other engineering work. Only engineering is they have done for fencing, which is nothing but standard fence.
Yeah, okay.
And you can in bracket standard. You can in bracket standard. This is CISPA fence, right? Standard CISPA fence.
Correct.
Exactly. Yeah.
And other scopes are other scopes are right. Yeah,
Other
right.
scope is as below, if you want. Other scope is highlighted below.
Broader scope. Okay. Good guys. So we are happy because it was not very intensive engineering scope. So hence number 2 guide was not applicable. This is saying about the PHSER only. PHSER 3 only is not applicable.
Not applicable, refer above. You put not applicable, refer above. That's all. So the first section is giving all. Yeah. So it will give explanation. No.
Refer 1.1. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. This also there is no issue. So this is also same. Refer above. This is important because this says about some HSE studies. Review the progress of completing recommendation from HSE studies. So in our scope, we have done HSE, we have done NV.
Chairman, this is a little previous PHSER, not a current PHSER.
Okay,
This
not
is
current.
a little previous PHSER. You can say not. There is no safety studies performed at early stage.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
You can say no safety studies performed at early previous stage.
Not applicable. Simply same like that because this is there was no phase 3. And I think I want to put this HSE study for this phase. I can say for current phase, right?
No, but that current phase is that down. If you see down, there should be there. What are the current phase HSE studies recommendation? Go down, there will be something down.
No, there was nothing. No, nothing. So let me put it here and then we'll refer some.
Okay. Then you can write don't put not applicable. You say no PHSER conducted, no safety studies conducted during the previous stages. Okay. Previous stages and